Good morning, thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Thursday, September 27th. We did see a little bit of blue sky out there just after sunrise this morning, but since then, low clouds have filled into the area, and we do anticipate these low clouds to stick around through the remainder of the day and into tonight, with chances for isolated light rain showers throughout the day as well. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we have that cool front that brought us some shower activity yesterday evening into last night, draped across southern portion of the Delmarva. That's really has stalled out and is going to just be sitting there for throughout the day today, and that's going to help. That's what's going to contribute to our low cloudiness throughout the day, as well as giving us a chance of those isolated light showers. Kind of hard to depict exactly when we're going to get a shower or not, as these showers seem to be very isolated across the area and light and popping up here and there as well. So we are going to be carrying chances, around a 30% chance throughout the day of seeing at any time one of these light showers coming across the Wallops area, but we are going to continue to see low cloudiness throughout the day today. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, you can see we had a bigger batch of showers just offshore a couple hours ago. That has since dissipated a bit and continued to move off east. We are seeing some more northerly winds this morning, as we are behind that cold front that is ushering in a cooler air mass. We have probably already seen our high temperature for today around 72 degrees. Temperatures have since dropped to near 70 and will continue to hover at that level and into the upper 60s throughout the day. We are going to be getting a early low temperature tonight as that front lifts a little bit north again. Then our temperatures will be slowly rising throughout the nighttime. As you can see, there's shower activity is pretty sporadic, and that's what we're going to be seeing throughout the day today. As of 8:15 a.m., we were seeing a broken deck at 2,000 feet and an overcast deck at 6,500 feet. Since then, that deck at 2,000 feet has become overcast. We were seeing winds from azimuth 030 at 7 knots with a temperature of 71 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, it's going to be carrying that chance of precipitation around 30 to 40% as we go towards the late morning hours and through the remainder of the forecast period here. Going to be seeing those temperatures hover around where they are, around 70 degrees, give or take a couple degrees. Winds are going to be northeasterly, around 8 to 13 knots throughout the day, becoming easterly as we go towards the late afternoon hours, and then southeasterly, then southerly overnight as that front lifts north of the area a bit, and then becoming southwesterly by mid-morning tomorrow, 8 to 13 knots. We are going to be seeing those ceilings lower down even more after midnight tonight, seeing some patchy fog and restricted visibilities, as well as we have a weak area of low pressure riding that front as it moves just north of us, and that's also going to give us an uptick in rain chances after midnight, mainly after 4 a.m. and through the mid to late morning hours for tomorrow. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, really going to just be seeing a similar cloud cover throughout the day, seeing those ceilings hover around 2,000 feet, perhaps a little bit lower if we get into any shower activity. Might see a very brief break in the cloudiness, in the low clouds between about 6 and 8 p.m. this evening, but still looking at a chance for some lower clouds during that time period. And then as we get into the overnight hours, we are going to see those ceilings lower a little bit more, around 500 to 1,000 feet at times, especially in any shower activity, and that'll persist through mid-morning Friday. Tides are still around half foot above normal. For tomorrow, going to be seeing cloudy skies early with a chance of showers across the area, mainly before noon, and then once we get to the afternoon hours, it does look like we are going to see that front finally move off and move east of the area, and that's going to start to drag some drier air into the region. That's going to help clear out the clouds, become partly cloudy. We're going to see a little bit of a westerly wind, and that'll help to increase our temperature a bit, expecting a high of 80 degrees, and we are expecting to see these clouds really clear out by the late afternoon hours tomorrow, with that chance of rain mainly before noon. By Friday night, we're going to have high pressure, a large area of high pressure moving to the area. That's going to really clear things out, giving us a mostly clear and finally a nice, cool, seasonable night on Friday night with a low of 62. So that'll be a nice change of pace from these warmer and humid evenings that we have been seeing for quite a while. And then Saturday is looking like a beautiful day under partly cloudy and mostly sunny skies. It's going to be very nice out there with a pleasant high of 79. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.